Carrier-agnostic devices are becoming the norm, with more phones sold unlocked by default. However, prepaid services like Walmart Family Mobile are lagging behind in adopting these practices. Challenges include soft locking, where unlocks are easier through apps, but stricter enforcement for subsidized devices to combat fraud, such as SIM swapping. Looking ahead, AI-driven unlock portals could automate approvals and reduce wait times. eSIMs may eventually eliminate traditional SIM locking altogether. Consumer demand for flexibility is rising, pushing for more lenient unlocking policies. Keep in mind that security risks and carrier revenue loss from unlocked devices could lead to higher upfront costs for prepaid phones. For example, the FCC fined Verizon $200 million in 2024 for failing to unlock prepaid devices, including those rebranded for Walmart Family Mobile. While unlocking your Walmart Family Mobile SIM can enable international travel and avoid roaming fees, device-specific hurdles like Apple's iCloud lock can still exist.